Alright guys, this is my collection for now. I guess first we have White Rangers and then Green Rangers, and then we have Iron Man Mark 42, and then Batman Tactical Suit, and then the second level we have Batman normal version, and then Captain America Infinity Wars, Thor Infinity Wars, and then the third level we have Iron Patriot in game, Black Widow in game, and then Spiderman Far From Home, and then the first level is behind that is Hawkeye, aka Ronin, and then we have Thor, the Fat Thor Endgame, and then Mark 50, I guess, Iron Man Avenger Infinity Wars, and then the Captain America Avenger Endgame.